Hello students, this is Dr. Griffin and this is the week of February 19th in your labor law class. For this week I've changed things a little bit for the Blackboard Collaborative project. In the past I've made this a group project where I've selected students to work together as a group. This semester we're going to do it a little bit differently. So each student will prepare a PowerPoint or Prezi and email it back to me at my Triton email. So your Prezi or PowerPoint presentation based on this case that is in module, your module 4, module 5, you'll prepare and send it to me via email at williamgriffin@triton.edu. This is a 2-week project, okay, so it's due on March 4th, which should be Sunday night before 10 p.m., so you have 2 weeks to do this. And you're presenting this to your Senior Vice President of Human Resource on this recent legal case. Once you go into Module 5, you'll see the case Petreska versus Gannon and the variety of questions that I have for you. So I want you to prepare your assignment in this project, covering 2 weeks in PowerPoint or Prezi, answering all the questions that are there. You'll find the case that's in the book is an abbreviated case. You might want to go to Public Law Library, and I've given you a link on that as well to find the full case. But you should have enough to work with the case that's presented in the book without having to go to the full details of the case. So again, you are playing the role of a human resource manager, and you're going to be presenting this to your boss, the Senior Vice President of Human Resources, and laying out this case and also talking about why it is important for a human resource manager to keep abreast of all of the issues surrounding labor law. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'll be grading your assignment, your exam 1, later in the week. So you'll get those scores back as soon as I can get to it. But anyway, I wanted to make the announcement about this project. It's a Blackboard Collaborative, but it's not going to be a group project this time. Each student will do their own presentation. Again, if you have any questions, let me know, and good luck.